back. Got Christopher Royce behind the camera. We're gonna build up the Ty Morrow 21-inch top tube fiend frame. We're gonna build it up with all the parts that we got from Harvester BMX, where I got these bars, forks, and frame, and everything else in the box I got from Source BMX. So we're gonna build this up and hopefully be riding in about an hour or so. Alright, next thing I want to get at is my bottom bracket, which happens to come with my Primo Stevie Churchill 24mm currents. I got them in 170, rod red out, Churchill right there, bam bam. There it is. Homemade bracket press. First thing we need to do is grease up our orifices here for our bearings. It's our headset bearings or our bottom bracket. Might as well do them both at the same time, I'd say. Nice layer of grease in there. So I went ahead and I built my own bearing press out of just a bolt and some washers. I'm going to tighten up the bolt, push the washers against the bearings and press them into the frame. So, cheap way of doing it. And there they go, sliding on you. Easy. There you have it. Not bad for a few bucks worth of stuff. Bottom bracket here. Cinema headset. Lift kit headset. It comes with the cinema headset comes with 3 different cap sizes. No extra spacers, you just determine what size you want to use and go from there. Cut your forks to size. I had to cut 10 mil off mine to use the big one. We are the people forks that, if you've seen our last video, we strip them down and rod them out. These are the Sayre Sterling forks. Pretty sweet. Primo. There is our headset. Headset, bottom bracket, forks, just like that. This is the MARTINEZ signature stem. Real thing of beauty. Oh, yeah. Slide that on there. Deth bomber bars. Sure I got even spacing all the way around. we got our tall order, black with tan, good for 110 psi. Got some tubes, our cinema cassette rear. That's the Cinema 333 rim. Comes with hub guards. This one's Cinema ZX 333 rim, complete wheel. Odyssey M pegs. They're real cool. They got the little stoppers there that you put in the slots so that the pegs don't spin. Ryde steel. After many problems with the pegs and getting these hub guards to fit between this frame here for some reason, we've got our tall order wall ride tires to our Cinema 333 complete wheels on our bike. Seat. Fiend. Woohoo! Stolen mid Pivitol to it for now until I find some tan or sand grip, seat, and pedals. No grease. The seat was breaking the bolt. I know from experience. Churchill cranks, Primo, 24 mil, 170 length, with my Cinema reel sprocket, 28 tooth. What?
Creepy person was on phone.
Creepy person?
Yes. They had the softest voice.
Yeah. How are you doing, Cooper?
Their mother's pickup is ready at Walmart at noon time.
Oh. Did you ask what it was?
No. I just said bye.
You didn't say okay or anything, just bye.
No, I said okay. My mother was at
Oh, you told a stranger on the phone that your mother wasn't home?
Oh, you're so dead.
Oh, man, they're coming for you.
You're home.
Yep, your mom's not home. I can't save you. I'm not allowed by law. It's the law, man. No saving people. When it's their time, it's their time. You gotta make room for other people.
You're basically just killing them.
So, like, firefighters are gonna lose.
Well, that's their job. That's their job. It's not my job. Don't know why the arms are raw, but these are black. I don't know, man. I don't design this shit. But if I did, it'd be better.
2 cents.
Smally ollie ollie one on the side.
Man, I just got denied.
And what?
I zoomed in on the Primo on the spacer, and then you covered it with your sprocket. Beautiful.
Stolen Thermalite pedals.
Oh, overexposure. Stop doing that. Ow.
Some people like to use aerosol spray or hairspray or paint or whatever. I go the zip tie away. Just drop them in. Like so. Zip ties kind of spread around. And just pull, man.
Stops the grips from sticking to the bars on the way on.
Correct, sir.
And the best part about this, you get grips on nice and easy with little effort, And no throttle grip when you're done.
There we go. Now you just grab the little loops that I put on and pull. And pull. And pull.
Ta-da! Grip on.
Good. The thing I like about these bar ends is they come with this little washer here so that when you drop your bike or whatever happens when you get angry, it stops the bars from just chopping through the bar ends.
One hit wonder.
Look how bluey that went right in. Look at that nice logo right there.
BSD 1991 half-link chain in chrome necklace. My Mr. T starter kit.
There it is.
There we go. Alright, so here we have our finished product. We're going to just go through our parts here. Let's see what we got. We got our Federal grips with our Bone Death bomber bars rod out. Got our MARTINEZ stem. Our roughhouse sticker on there, of course. And going down here we got our Ty Morrow Fiend frame, 21-inch top tube. Our W.T.P Pete Sayre Sterling forks with our Odyssey M pegs, 4 of them. And got our Cinema ZX complete 333 wheel, front and back, with our tall order wall ride tires, 2.3 front and back. Over here we got our Primo Stevie Churchill 24mm cranks and 24mm Primo bottom bracket. Comes together. Got them in 170 reach with some stolen Thermalite pedals. Our Cinema Real Guard Sprocket 28 tooth with our BSD 1991 chain, I believe. And our Fiend mid-pivotal seat post. And our stolen mid-pivotal seat. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you like this build or what you ride. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good day.